How's it going? What's up and what's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara DeCass, and today we are going to be rocking this channel out with an awesome video for you guys. I'm going to show you a couple things. It's not going to be too much of a long video today. I do have quite a bit to get through, but I will be posting quite a few videos for you over the course of today. So make sure to stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and let's not waste any more time on the introduction. Guys, as you can see, really appreciate all my subscribers. Guys, we are getting closer and closer to that 1,000 mark. Make sure if you're watching and you haven't yet subscribed to hit that subscription bell, because you guys can see that I'm pumping out good content for you guys. 123 views on my beautiful Bitcoin video. That's amazing. Thank you very much all for watching that. I asked yesterday if the Bitcoin bears are back, but not quite. But there's a sneakiness inside that video. And then yesterday we had co-write on Bybit absolutely obliterate it and pump in the market. So that was lots of fun to do for you guys. Today on the crypto market cap index, we are currently sitting at 1.232 trillion. Bitcoin is currently sitting at 30,558 today, which is beautiful because for me, if we can hold Bitcoin above the $600 billion market cap, guys, that is more bullish than I could tell you. Okay. But as long as we're under that $600 billion market cap, I think we're a little bit more towards the bearish side of things. Okay. So let's not waste any more time here. Ethereum is sitting at 1881 today. BNB at 247. XRP at 47 cents. Lido 1884. Cardano 29 cents. So Cardano is up for the day. Dogecoin 6.5 cents. Solana 22.12. So Solana's been pumping, continues to pump. Litecoin is up again at 97.87. And then Polygon is up at 74 cents. Polkadot at 5.16. And Bitcoin Cash at 275.32. So absolutely beautiful and wonderful energy there. And yeah, Fear and Greed Index today is sitting at 57. So it's 1 point up from yesterday, not much. But the bubbles are fucking pumping, guys. The bubbles are in the green today and absolutely beautiful. Now, you guys, as I have previously said to you before, that when the bubbles are in the green, okay, this is a very, very good, beautiful time to ensure and make sure that we are absolutely knowing where we are looking to take profits on certain aspects and certain coins. So if you don't know, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, because I do what I can to make sure that you guys know the best of these coins, and I will do quite a few videos on some of the things. Guys, if you want me to do a live stream on a Monday evening where I talk about as many possible altcoins as possible, and I'll probably do the live stream for about an hour on a Monday. If you guys would love to have that, let me know down in the comments. Just type live stream down in the comments below. Today, is there any news? I'm not sure. I haven't actually gone through the news, but XRPL grows in Q2 despite the SEC lawsuit and concerns. Guys, we are edging closer and closer and closer to the XRP court case finishing off and winning. So BlackRock ETF stirs the US Bitcoin buying as researchers says get off zero. Bitcoin supply shock will send BTC to 120K, says Standard Chartered. So they've gone from 50K to 100K to 120K. Coinbase shares are up 50% since the SEC lawsuit. So no matter what the SEC does to try and stifle the space in the market, they ain't going to win. Okay, and I'm going to say that because crypto is already existing for 14 years now. It is way ahead now of what the SEC is busy doing. So very, very beautiful and very, very interesting. Brazil CBDC pilot contains code that can freeze or reduce funds, said the dev claims. So guys, nobody actually wants CBDCs. Now, we don't want to be controlled like the Chinese are controlling their people. And this is the craziest thing that is busy happening, because essentially, let's go and have a look at that article actually. What we're seeing is the fact that Bitcoin and is what it is, and CBDs are what they are. It's showing us that the market doesn't want to be in control. They don't want their finances to be in control of other institutions and other people. Although some people, and I would say probably more of the mature generations, they would like to have their assets helped and managed by other institutions. But people like you, people like me that are actually watching this, we don't want that. And we would like to see decentralization of our money and our currency and be able to do what we need to do. So according to the analyst, MicroStrategy derives the bulk of its value from 152, 333 Bitcoins held on its books. It is our expectation that the price of Bitcoin will repeat its historical pattern of rallying both ahead of and following the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving, which is scheduled at April 26, 24, reduces the BTC issuance by 50%, significantly dampening the velocity at which new Bitcoin enters into the crypto market. Last Bitcoin ETF decision deadline, okay? Last Bitcoin ETF decision deadline is on the third month, so March 19th, okay? And Bitcoin halving is 16. So what do you think is going to be happening in the Bitcoin, by the Bitcoin cycle, guys? Bitcoin is without a doubt going to pump. So do not miss out on the opportunity to literally change your life with Bitcoin. Okay, let's go and have a look at the Dixie chart very, very quickly. I don't really want to spend time on the Dixie chart. Hallelujah, the Dixie fucking broke. And I said to you guys in my video yesterday and all my other videos, I said here, I've been talking to you guys about the dollar dropping below my blue line, and officially we have now done that. Okay, and guys, the target is coming down here to the neckline, and if we end up breaking the neckline, bye-bye dollar. But just because the dollar is going down at the moment, I mean, essentially the dollar with a crazy drop like this, and there hasn't been the same reciprocation in the Bitcoin price, there's no correlation right now to the dollar going down and Bitcoin assets shooting up. And I say that because PPI and CPI are actually affecting this data. Interest rates are affecting this data at the moment. And in some instances, we could actually see the dollar go down and risk on assets fall down with the dollar too, because of the way the economic environment is. And that is essentially called stagflation. And stagflation is busy taking place at the moment. And I'm sure you guys are bored as anything with the fact that Bitcoin is currently kind of just chilling at the moment, not really doing much, but it is making a new pattern. It has found some support on this beautiful 20 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, and for me that is looking a lot more juicy than what we were looking not so long ago when we were just falling here doing absolutely nothing. And guys, we are, as you would know, in a range between the 31,300 level and the 29,630 level. Okay, that is our range, and as you guys can see, that's where we are right now. So not much change there that will happen for us until we actually see a breakout of this level or a breakdown of this level. Okay, so let's quickly let that chart refresh for us. Okay, so as you guys can see here right now, that is looking very, very juicily beautiful. And for me, it looks as though we're pushing more towards an upside move than a downside move now, because we are creating, oh wow, yeah, yesterday's candle, this is a slow down, and then this is a signal to tell us that there is potentially a buy signal. And for me, it looks a lot more like a buy than a sell right now. Now, I actually just want to go and remove those two lines, and let's remove that line. And what I'd like to go and share, and I'll even remove that one. I'd love to share that, cool, this here isn't really some sort of pattern, but if I bring this up to there, that will give us a very, very, very beautiful pattern. Okay, so we can see that there, oh my goodness, what's going on here? Okay, let's just let that reload. Let's go and have a quick squiz at the total market cap, right? Quick. Total market cap, guys. I said to you guys, we would find support on this 20. We would break up here. We would smash this back up. And that's exactly what we're doing. And we're now also creating a bit of a double bottom scenario here. So very, 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 very beautiful. And essentially, we should be in the moment where we're realizing that altcoins are actually getting ready to make a pump up as well. And if we go and look at the Bitcoin dominance is now starting to show a little bit more of a weakness sign here. So we're not breaking the highs here. Okay, at the moment, and we're just floating on this upward slope here right now. So if we do break this line, without a doubt, we will be coming down to at least this zone of support right here, on the 50 moving average, excuse me. So isn't that beautiful in alignment to show us that the Bitcoin chart is actually busy making very strong moves? So guys, if you're enjoying this so far, make sure to smash the like on the video. And if you're watching my videos and have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so in the meantime. And of course, if you want to trade Bitcoin and other altcoins with me, then make sure to hit my Bitflex link down below. My Bitflex link, when you deposit $100, you will get a 50% bonus and get yourself $50 extra. So you'll have $150 to make a trade with, or multiple trades with. And guys, later on in this week, this coming weekend, I'm actually going to be spending a tremendous amount of time making videos on the exchanges, how to trade, and just giving you very intense information on the exchanges that I use, how I trade with them. I'm going to show you some of my portfolios. I'm going to show you a few things that I've been doing, and we'll have a look at that there together. So make sure to hit that notification bell so that you know when those videos come through for you guys. Okay, let's go back to the Bitcoin chart where we've trying to get this thing to load. Maybe my internet connection is not so lacquer today. Okay, well let's just now, okay, you see now it's just drawn all of these lines for me, so let's delete that one for now. So on the Bitcoin price, if we do end up breaking this line, I'm sure we'll come down to the 50 moving average at the 28,800 level. But my target for this as a breakout would be this area right here. Actually, that's probably a lot more of a stronger area, and you can see that there is some sort of triangle formation busy forming there right now. Now, I'd like to go and show you the Ethereum chart. So I actually drew an incredible Ethereum chart for us yesterday. Now, I was watching another YouTuber and what this YouTuber was doing on in terms of trading, and I actually really like this strategy. So it's weird because the strategy allows you to get into a short position, and if you did it the other way, you would get into a long position. But in this particular chart, you can see that it's an Elliott wave move. Okay, so 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's the last move, and then we should come down, which would now give us A to B. So this move should start to come up here, and essentially you can see I'm waiting for my entry on the short position on Ethereum, because the pattern is showing us that this will become a short position at about 1960 on Ethereum. Now, I think Ethereum will get up to that point, and then we could look at taking a short down here, which would essentially give us a kind of a 6-to-1 ratio. This was very beautiful because I did some intense calculations on this risk to reward management system that he was really showing me, and it was very, very, very powerful. And definitely very, very blessed. So I am so super grateful for you, for your love, your energy, and for watching this channel. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. And yeah, guys, Bitcoin on the daily is looking really very, very juicy, especially on the RSI right now. We're looking as though we want to make a next move up. And my personal next move, as I've previously said, is between the 35 and the 38,000 level, guys. That is still, from where we currently are, at least a 22% move to the 38k level. So 22% move at 10x leverage is 220%. If you're crazy enough to do 100x leverage, that is an insane 2,200%. So if you invested $100 into that trade and you got 2,200%, you would literally convert your $100 into $2,200 like that. Boom. One trade. Fucking amazing. Guys, thanks for watching the channel. Appreciate it. That's all I got to show for you today, and we'll see you on the next video.